Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Today, we embark on a thrilling exploration into the world of deadly swarms as we delve into the most dangerous army drones ever created. I'm your host, and together, we'll uncover the remarkable capabilities and potential risks associated with these cutting-edge technologies. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our captivating content. Let's get started. Number 10. The Firestorm. This highly lethal unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has earned its reputation for its devastating capabilities and significant impact on the modern battlefield. The Firestorm is purpose-built for combat operations, combining reconnaissance, surveillance, and offensive capabilities into a deadly package. Equipped with advanced sensors and cutting-edge imaging technology, the Firestorm excels in gathering real-time intelligence and conducting precise target acquisition. Its high-resolution cameras and advanced sensor suite offer enhanced situational awareness, enabling informed decision-making and effective mission planning. One of the most striking aspects of the Firestorm is its offensive power. Armed with an array of guided munitions, including precision missiles and explosive ordnance, it can engage and neutralize enemy targets with lethal precision. Its agility and speed allow it to strike swiftly and evade potential threats, making it a formidable adversary on the battlefield. Number 9. The Iron Hawk. Delving into the realm of the most dangerous army drones, we come across the formidable Iron Hawk. This lethal unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has gained notoriety for its devastating capabilities and significant impact on the modern battlefield. The Iron Hawk is specifically designed for combat operations, combining reconnaissance, surveillance, and offensive capabilities into a formidable package. Equipped with advanced sensors and imaging technology, the Iron Hawk excels in gathering real-time intelligence and conducting precise target acquisition. Its high-resolution cameras and cutting-edge sensor suite provide enhanced situational awareness, enabling informed decision-making and effective mission execution. One of the most feared aspects of the Iron Hawk is its offensive power. Armed with a variety of guided munitions, including precision missiles and explosive ordnance, it can engage and neutralize enemy targets with lethal accuracy. Its agility and speed allow it to strike swiftly and evade potential threats, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. Number 8. The Reaper Sentinel. This highly lethal unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has gained a fearsome reputation for its devastating capabilities and significant impact on the modern battlefield. The Reaper Sentinel is purpose-built for combat operations, combining reconnaissance, surveillance, and offensive capabilities into a lethal package. Equipped with advanced sensors and cutting-edge imaging technology, the Reaper Sentinel excels in intelligence gathering and precise target acquisition. Its high-resolution cameras and advanced sensor suite provide enhanced situational awareness, enabling informed decision-making and effective mission execution. One of the most formidable aspects of the Reaper Sentinel is its offensive power. Armed with a wide array of guided munitions, including precision missiles and explosive ordnance, it can engage and neutralize enemy targets with deadly accuracy. Its agility and speed enable rapid strikes and evasive maneuvers, making it a formidable adversary on the battlefield. Number 7. The Stealth Phantom. The Stealth Phantom is purpose-built for combat missions, combining stealth, reconnaissance, and offensive capabilities into a lethal package. True to its name, the Stealth Phantom possesses advanced stealth technology, rendering it virtually invisible to radar detection. Its low observability allows it to operate undetected, providing a significant tactical advantage over adversaries. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and imaging systems, the Stealth Phantom excels in intelligence gathering and target acquisition. Its advanced reconnaissance capabilities provide critical real-time information, enhancing situational awareness and facilitating effective decision-making. One of the most striking features of the Stealth Phantom is its offensive power. Armed with precision-guided munitions, it can engage and neutralize high-value targets with pinpoint accuracy. Its agility and speed enable swift strikes and evasive maneuvers, evading enemy defenses. Number 6. The Vortex Cyclone. The Vortex Cyclone is a specialized drone used for electronic warfare. It disrupts enemy communication systems, radar, and other electronic equipment, creating chaos on the battlefield and giving friendly forces a tactical advantage. Number 5. The Spectre Wing. This lethal unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has garnered a fearsome reputation for its devastating capabilities and impact on the modern battlefield. Designed for combat operations, the Spectre Wing combines advanced technologies to provide unparalleled reconnaissance, surveillance, and offensive capabilities. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and imaging systems, the Spectre Wing excels at gathering real-time intelligence and conducting precise target acquisition. Its high-resolution cameras and advanced sensor suite offer enhanced situational awareness, allowing for informed decision-making and effective mission planning. The offensive power of the Spectre Wing is awe-inspiring. Armed with a diverse array of guided munitions, including precision missiles and explosive ordnance, it can engage and neutralize enemy targets with lethal precision. Its agility and speed enable rapid strikes and evasive maneuvers, rendering it a formidable adversary. Number 4. The Titan Thunder. This formidable unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has earned its reputation for its devastating capabilities and significant impact on the battlefield. The Titan Thunder is purpose-built for combat operations, combining intelligence gathering, surveillance, and offensive capabilities into a lethal package. Equipped with advanced sensor systems and cutting-edge imaging technology, the Titan Thunder excels in reconnaissance missions, providing real-time situational awareness and critical intelligence to military forces. Its ability to operate in various environments and transmit valuable data enhances the effectiveness of strategic decision-making. Number 3. The Venom Stinger. This highly lethal unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has gained notoriety for its formidable capabilities and destructive potential on the battlefield. The Venom Stinger is specifically engineered for combat operations, designed to provide a lethal combination of reconnaissance, surveillance, and offensive capabilities against enemy forces. Equipped with advanced sensors and imaging technology, the Venom Stinger excels at gathering real-time intelligence and conducting precise target acquisition. Its ability to navigate complex environments and transmit valuable data to military command allows for enhanced situational awareness and informed decision-making. One of the most feared aspects of the Venom Stinger is its offensive power. Armed with a range of guided missiles and explosive ordnance, it can engage and neutralize enemy targets with devastating precision. Its agility and speed enable it to strike swiftly and escape potential threats, making it an elusive and deadly adversary. Number 2. The Raptor X. The Raptor X is a highly advanced and lethal unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for military operations and combat scenarios. Renowned for its unparalleled capabilities, the Raptor X is equipped with cutting-edge technology, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. It is specifically designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and offensive missions against enemy targets. The Raptor X boasts an array of advanced sensors and high-resolution cameras, providing exceptional situational awareness and intelligence-gathering capabilities. Its long-range capabilities allow it to operate in hostile territories, conducting surveillance and relaying crucial information to military commanders. This drone is armed with a variety of offensive weapons, including precision-guided missiles and bombs. With its pinpoint accuracy and devastating firepower, the Raptor X can strike enemy targets with lethal precision, disrupting their operations and inflicting significant damage. Number 1. The Shadow Viper. The Shadow Viper is a lethal and advanced unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for military operations. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the Shadow Viper possesses formidable capabilities that make it a deadly threat on the battlefield. It is specifically designed for reconnaissance and surveillance missions, as well as targeted strikes against enemy forces. The Shadow Viper is equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, allowing it to gather real-time intelligence and provide valuable situational awareness to military units. Its stealthy design and low acoustic signature enable it to operate undetected, making it an ideal asset for covert operations. Furthermore, the Shadow Viper features advanced autonomous capabilities, allowing it to operate autonomously or under remote control. It can perform complex flight maneuvers, navigate challenging environments, and adapt to changing mission requirements. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The use of these drones raises ethical questions and requires careful consideration of their potential risks and consequences. If you found this exploration into deadly swarms intriguing, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow adventure enthusiasts. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our thrilling content.